My name is Mike Pierce. I'm a senior threat investigator. I'm with a company that's got about 140,000 employees. We're global across the world. Right now, my unit is the Insider Risk Unit, so we investigate data theft from the company, IP, confidential, highly confidential, things like that. So the main problem that we looked to solve by partnering with Ontic was we didn't have a case management system, case management software. When I came onto my company, we were still doing things with Excel and Word, and that works to a degree. One of the things we were trying to solve was we have to get a dedicated system that's going to house all this stuff. So we can look at data historically. So we can look at people that we know are issues. One of the things that the Ontic software was able to do is the customization on it is like nobody else. You want it to kick out metrics at the end that says how many times you had somebody download to a removable media? No problem. You want to create a dashboard that'll show you how many investigators are currently working an active case? No problem. At the end of it, you can customize anything for your needs. And I have not seen a product that's able to do that to that extent. Security generally doesn't make money. So a lot of the power that you have has to do with the metrics that you can produce, because leadership cares about data. So if you can't make money, you have to show, but here's how good we're doing. So your return on investment is often shown through metrics, and that's something else that Ontic has been able to do, is show us very clear metrics on that.